Click on the link below to get price. The Midea MLTW41A1KIT1 gray top load washer and dryer pair is a remarkable addition to any home, combining efficiency and functionality in a sleek design. With a 4.1 cubic foot capacity, the washer is spacious enough to handle larger loads, making laundry days less of a chore. The top load design is user-friendly, allowing easy access without the need for bending over. One of the standout features of this washer is its customizable wash cycles. It offers multiple settings tailored to various fabric types and soil levels, ensuring your clothes receive the care they deserve. The powerful agitation system effectively removes dirt and stains, while still being gentle on your garments. Additionally, the energy-efficient design is a significant plus, contributing to lower utility bills while promoting environmentally friendly practices. The accompanying dryer complements the washer perfectly, boasting a range of drying options that cater to different fabrics and load sizes. The dryer's large capacity further ensures that you can dry multiple loads in one go, saving time and energy. Its moisture-sensing technology prevents overdrying, protecting your clothes from damage while promoting longevity. The dryer operates quietly, making it suitable for homes where noise can be a concern. Aesthetically, the gray finish is modern and stylish, fitting seamlessly into various home decors. The control panels are intuitive, making operation straightforward even for those not technologically inclined. While assembly and setup are generally simple, some users may find that the instructions could be clearer. However, once set up, the performance of the Midea washer and dryer pair speaks volumes, consistently delivering reliable results. Overall, the Midea MLTW41A1KIT1 is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their laundry appliances. Its blend of efficiency, user-friendliness, and contemporary design makes it a standout choice for both families and individuals alike.